Hey guys, what's up? This is Eartha Baca coming to you live on my wall at our gym, and I finally got my piece done, so I'm gonna take you with me into the office. Dun 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 dun. Get the light on and let's watch it come alive. There we go. Yay! All done. This lighting is so crazy because it's like top light, so now everything just looks really like weird. But I'm gonna walk you through this. This says NoHo MMA. This is an N behind me. This is an O. That's an H. This is an O right here. This is a big giant M. Let me move this door over. I have this air conditioner thing here, so I'm just gonna walk around it. Get the door shut so you guys can see. This is the second M behind me here. Hi guys, thank you for my hearts. This is the A. Let me back it up so you can see the whole thing. It goes up top and then it goes boom over there. This is the black on black murdered out is what they call it when you use a matte and a satin finish. And it says stay true over and over and over. And there we go. This little space I'm keeping open because, you know, I just want to have space to have fun. So this is it. It is done. It is done. It is done. I'm so excited. All I had to do was come in today and touch up with these like little highlights. And typically it's so funny, you guys, just like a little fun fact about graffiti art. It's like when you do your piece, you do all this work, right? Hi guys, thank you for my hearts. I see them. I'll say hi to you. Well, let me just do it right now before I tell you the graffiti art fun fact. So, hey Amber, what's up? Hi Stephanie. Hi Stacy. She said it's amazing. Thank you. It's so much fun to paint again. Hi babe, my baby's on. Hi Margie. Hey Stacy, hey girlfriend. Hi Jamie, what's up? Okay, so fun fact about graffiti art. When you do all of this work, right? The last thing you typically do, I mean it's not like a have to, but we add highlights to our piece. So it'll like emphasize, you know, a certain area. Like see that sparkle? That's what a highlight is. And so highlights are like really important because it brings out, you know, certain aspects of the piece and just gives more dimension, just like makeup, right? Like highlights, those highlights, just same thing, same idea. And it's so funny because back in the day, like you just like take at it with the whole, you know, go psh, psh. And it's really important to like nail your highlights because you can't go back. There's no do-overs. If you mess up on your highlights, you've cut into all your work. You've cut into all your cuts, all your fine lines, and you're gonna jack it up big time. So highlights really need to be kind of like on point. So this is what I did today. Instead of doing what I used to do, like a big harsh highlight like back in the days, I wanted to look more like a lens flare. So I did a double kind of thing, the little dots. Let's see, there's another one here. So you don't want to put them everywhere. You just want to put them like every now and again. And like down there, if you guys can see that, I did that one down there. Let me come over here, this one here. And it just gives a little, psh, you know, a little something interesting. So when you look at the piece, I'm gonna put it behind me now. When you look at the piece, you don't wanna like cover it up with highlights, but you do wanna have them around. So it's just like interest, you know what I mean? So that's just kind of like a little insight to my process and my graffiti art. And I'm loving this space. What I'm gonna do here is I've been looking at like a dorm size futon couch. So it's gonna be really cool for Shanji, like while I train, because there's the gym and there's a window here. So I can be training back there. And Shanji is in here, right here, safe and comfy. And so I'm gonna have like a little futon couch for him. It's gonna be black. I have it like the whole vision. So his couch will be like right here. And when he's tired or sleepy, he can take a nap. And then over here in this little spot, I'm gonna have like a round table and two chairs that are a little bit tall. And that'll be where I could be and like talk to people when they wanna come in the gym. And then like right here on this wall, this is the wall between the door. Here's the door. It's camouflage. There's this little space between those windows. And I'm gonna find, and everything I've been looking and finding like on Nextdoor app or like I've been looking on Craigslist because we're doing all this on a shoestring budget. Me and my husband have been working our butts off and all the people at NoHo MMA. You guys, this is, let me see, we had to build out 1, 2, 2, 3, this is the like third or fourth time we've had to build out our gym. And this is the only time that Steve and I had not had to do everything ourselves. I mean, like everything. So this time around was just amazing. Team NoHo MMA, all you guys, you're just freaking rock stars. You're amazing. We helped paint, prime, put mats, cut. Oh my gosh, I just can't even tell you. Clean, just like, it never ends. Look how bad I'm sweating. It's so hot in here. But this is the first time we have not had to do everything ourselves. So I wanted to say thank you and I appreciate you. And what I'm doing here in the office is I'm looking for pieces that are super, super affordable. Actually, one of our friends does office supplies and he's like, hold on, before you buy anything, let me see if we can, you know, at least get you wholesale or something. And I'm like, oh my God, thank you, you know. So anyway, the plan is back here to do like a stand, kind of I'm thinking a pantry cabinet sort of type thing. And then Shanji can have maybe like some kind of a monitor where he can, you know, maybe play a game or, you know, watch some shows or whatever, like while I'm training. And so part of my big deal about getting this office done was because I miss training so bad, you guys. I want my body back. My knees hurt so bad, so I need to do other things that I'm going to get on the mat now. No shoes. So I can't wait to be out here. And oh, I have to show you real quick before my battery dies. We have a women's and men's dressing room. So this is my next project. This is the women's changing room. And there's a wall here that I've been eyeballing. So behind me, there's a big changing area there. And look at this big wall. You know what I see? Canvas. And the bathroom, like all this stuff needs like so much work, you guys. But me and Steve are like gonna just do it. We're gonna make it happen. So behind me, the women's changing room is like just in my mind an art heaven because I've got walls. Now I'm gonna walk you over to the men's changing room. And I've got a really cool idea for this room too. Right now it looks all jacked up because I have to do my thing. Because the walls are really tall. I really love this. So I'm just gonna kind of go behind me. You can see there's the bathroom, there's a mirror, there's the other washroom. So I see canvases, I see a playground. And all this hard work that Team NoHo MMA did, putting this place together as a team, just I can't tell you guys how much it's meant to us. And see how you can see the graffiti piece in the office just stands out in the gym too, so that's pretty cool. Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna be going. I promised you guys I would jump on live yesterday, and that didn't happen. You know, life is organic. I probably shouldn't have said I'd do something. Because plans change all the time. So anyway, here we are. Thank you guys for following and being a part of my journey. I put together a little video but I'm going to share it in my photo album under my art, and I may or may not show it on my timeline because I think I've been showing this a lot. But I'm going to have this video compilation because one of my friends is like, I want to actually see you paint. And so I was doing like time lapse of me doing this on some parts. And so I look like Speedy Gonzalez. And I'm getting it done, man. I'm getting it done super fast. But anyway, you guys take care. Have a great night. My battery's about to die, and I still got to go jump over to the store. So, babe, he's at home watching. I will see you shortly. And let me just finish saying hi to you guys because I don't want to miss if you had said anything. So Jamie, just give me some love, give me some love. Amazing, thank you, Jamie, thank you so much. Stacy's like, you're ridiculously talented. Oh my God, Stacy, you're so cool. Thank you, I love you, girl. Thank you. My husband, he's like, I'm so proud of you, babe. Thank you, babe. Hi, Julie. Hi, Rhiannon. Hi, Amanda. Stacy, she's like, I love seeing you two excited and loving, expressing yourself. Yes, thank you, thank you. Girl, that's what life is all about, right? Life is just too short to be faking the funk or faking it for other people or holding yourself back. You know that so well, Stacy, because you're just a light. You're a shining bright star, girl. So I know you're feeling that true to your core. You guys rock your world, okay? Always be you. Go tell the world you're here. Have a great night. Bye.